Good day and welcome to my video. I am Roxanne Jane Cabalquinto from DCS 1B. So for today's video, I'm going to create and explain a simple C program and use a comment to identify the 5 basic structures of C programming language. So I am using Coding C app for this program because it doesn't need any Wi-Fi or data connection for making a program. So first is the documentation section, and it contains the comment lines. Second is the link section. It is the header files that are required to execute a C program are included in the section. Hash. In writing a program, it usually starts with a hash followed by included standard input-output header. Hash include console input-output header. And I will put some comment, which is length section. Third is the definition section. It is where variables are defined and values are set to these variables. Define PI 1.14 single line. Definition section. Fourth is the global declaration section, is when a variable is to be used throughout the program, can be defined in this section. Float circumference, single line, global declaration. Float diameter or circle, single line, global declaration section. Int main, single line, main function section. The main function contains two major sections called declaration section and executable section. Declaration section, it describes the data to be used within the function. API equals 1 single line declaration. Execution part, it contains the valid statements. Printf, open parentheses, enter the diameter of a circle, close parentheses, and don't forget to put the semicolon. Then single line comment section. Scanf, open parentheses, %f, comma, and diameter of circle, close parentheses. And single line comment execution part. Circumference equal diameter of circle multiply by pi. Then printf, open close parentheses, circumference is %.2f comma, circumference, then return 0. And for the last part, which is the user-defined function, it is where user can define their own function in this section, which perform particular tasks as per the user requirement. Float circumference of circle, open and close parentheses, float R. Single line comment, user defined function for sub-program section. Return, open and close parentheses, R times TI. So let's see if this program will run. Enter the diameter of a circle, which is 1.14. That's all. Thank you. The code I am going to create is a C program to find the total number of illiterate men and women from the population of Brazil. The given number of percentage of men is 54% of the population. The total literacy is 80% of the population, and the total of illiterate men are 30%. So the first thing that we are going to do is to put a hash followed by include standard input output dot header. Then int main, open and close parentheses, long int total population, comma, men, comma, woman, comma, literate population, comma, then literate men, comma, and literate woman. Then don't forget to put semicolon. Int literate men, comma, illiterate woman, comma, ang total illiterate. Then printf enter the total population of Biliran province. Then scanf person ID, comma, and total population. Men equal equal, open and close parentheses, 54 times total population divided by 100. Then women equal total population minus men. Then literate population equal, open and close parentheses, 80 times total population divided by 100. Literate men equal, open and close parentheses, 30 times total population divided by 100. Semicolon. Then literate women equal, literate population minus literate men. Illiterate men equal men minus literate men. Then literate women equal women minus literate women. Percent D, comma, literate men, printf, literate women, percent D, This is the flowchart that I've created out of the problem. First is the terminal, which indicates the starting or ending of the program. So let's put start followed by an arrow that shows the flow of our program. Then input and output. Enter the population of Biliran. Then enter the total of men. Then enter the total of women followed by an arrow. Then the process, which is total illiterate equal illiterate men plus illiterate women. Again, followed by an arrow. We must not forget the arrow because we are making a flowchart. Without an arrow, our flowchart will get wrong. For this part, it is where the decision is being put. Print total illiterate men and women. Don't forget the arrow. Then right after that is the terminal, which is we need to stop our program. That's all. For this video, I will create a pseudocode out of the problem. First, we need to put the input variable. Then, total number of population, total number of literate, total number of men, total number of literate men, then the total number of women, total number of literate women, then total number of illiterate men, then the total number of illiterate women. Use the printf function to print a statement. Printf, input the total population of Biliran province. Use the scanf function to ask the user to input the total population. Scanf, then %f, comma, and total number of population. Then calculate the total number of literacy if the percentage of literacy is 80. Total number of literate equal open parentheses 80 times total number of population close parentheses divided by 100. Use the printf function to print a statement. Printf and men. Calculate the total number of men if the percentage of men is 54. Total number of men equal close and open parentheses 54 times total population divided by 100. Calculate the total literate men if the percentage of literate men is 30. Total number of literate men equal 30 times total number of population divided by 100. Use the printf function to print a statement. Printf women. Calculate the number of using the subtracting operation. Total number of women equal total number of population minus total number of men. Calculate the total number of literate women using subtracting operation. Total number of literate women equal total number of literate minus total number of literate men. Use the printf function to print the statement. Printf total number of illiterate men and women. Calculate the total number of illiterate men using subtracting operation. Total number of illiterate men equal total number of men minus total number of literate men. Calculate the total number of illiterate women using subtracting operation. Total number of illiterate women equal total number of women minus total number of literate women. In algorithm, I will show you the steps. So step 1, input the total number of population, total number of literate, total number of men, total number of literate men, then the total number of women, then total number of literate women, then total number of illiterate men, then the total number of illiterate women. And step 2, total number of literate equal 80 times total number of population divided by 100. Step 3, total number of men equal 54 times total number of population divided by 100. Step 4, total number of literate men equal 30 times total number of population divided by 100. Then step 5, total number of women equal total number of population minus total number of men. Step 6, total number of literate women equal total number of literate minus total number of literate men. Step 7, total number of illiterate men equal total number of men minus total number of literate men. Then step 8, the last part, total number of illiterate women equal total number of women, then minus total number of literate women. So that's all. Thank you.